And now, your ABC6 Storm Tracker weather with meteorologist Nick Morganelli.
And good morning to you. That storm system spinning around in California, giving snow there, and then as it crossed over the Rockies into the plains, it wound up and created all that severe weather. You can see the line here. Watch it form. There it goes, right through the Texas Panhandle, Oklahoma, and moved eastward from there. So now we're going to be looking at that storm heading our way. It will lose its intensity. No thunderstorms with this one, but it certainly gives us the moisture, and we've got snow in the forecast. So far, 5.7 inches of snow out of the average 37 for this for what we have for a seasonal snowfall here. And 9.7, 1979, 1980, that's the leanest snow year we've had, and we only need 4 inches now to surpass that. So I think we're going to end up in maybe the number 3 spot, perhaps number 4 spot. We're not going to hit number 1. So we're going to get some snow here tonight through Tuesday afternoon. And the next storm Thursday is wet, not white. But then another storm coming Friday night and Saturday. That could be a variety of weather, and that could involve some ice for some parts of southern New England. I think here in Rhode Island, in Connecticut, southeastern Mass, most of those areas may go over to rain, from snow to ice to rain. But we'll have to see how that works out. Water vapor imagery shows the huge swirl here off the California coast. That's the storm that moved, and notice how it continues to spin. Whenever you get air rounding a corner, you get lift in the atmosphere, and that's why we have all the thunderstorms blossoming. Look at them right there. That's why they had that severe weather. And there's another one, if you notice, coming down out of the Gulf of Alaska. Here it comes, right there. See the swirl? So another storm is going to follow this one. That's the one coming in here for Thursday. So these systems continue to roll in. We do have a few snow showers and flurries out there right now. Woonsocket, Smithfield getting some of that right now. Should have a couple flurries in the Providence area as well. We've got winter weather advisories in the purple. Winter storm warning watch for Rhode Island, Connecticut, central and western Massachusetts. That's where the greatest snow amounts will be from this particular storm system. And in the order of 4 to 6 inches, or could get a little more in some places. We'll detail the snow map in a minute. Here comes the storm. That's what it looks like right now, and we'll track it for you here. There's the low. That's the storm system. This is the high pressure that's giving us the light wind today and some sunshine this morning. The high moves off to the north. The low is actually splitting here. The energy from this low is going to get transferred down to the shoreline. So whenever you get these redevelopments, they always pose a challenge because where they redevelop and then how quickly they intensify and then which track they take all plays into the forecast. So this one will form south of New England. This is the way it looks at 6 o'clock tomorrow morning, sitting right here. We're certainly cold enough for snow during almost the entire event here. I think afternoon temperatures tomorrow could rise to the middle 30s, especially along the shoreline. So south coast, you might get a little bit of rain mixing in with the snow. But this system is going to slide off to the south and east. And there's a weak area of low pressure that continues right up through here. That's the primary low. That's all that's left of it. So they still have lighter snows across northern New England from that. And because they're still kind of connected, I think we'll continue with some snow showers here during the afternoon on your Tuesday. And then this other system, this is the next one moving in with mild air south of this warm front. That mild air comes in on Thursday. That's why that's a rain event. So let's look at what happens with the futurecast here tonight. 7 o'clock, it's cloudy. We are into the upper 20s for the temperatures. And then here's that snow shield. By 11 o'clock, it's overtaking almost all of southern New England. Here's 7 o'clock tomorrow morning. Tough commute. Allow yourself some extra time. You've got to clean the car off. You've got to clean the windshield, the rear windshield as well, and then the lights. Make sure you clean off your tail lights, your headlights, so that you're visible to other drivers. And it's going to be a tough commute. As I said, there'll be moderate snow at times during tomorrow morning. In the afternoon here, 3 o'clock, we start to see things wind down. There's just a lighter snow, maybe snow showers at that time. And notice that mixed line right along the shoreline. But for the most part, this is a snow event for everybody. Here's 7 o'clock. We start to clear it out tomorrow night. Temperatures are falling through the lower 30s tomorrow night. So Forecast tonight, 28, the snow beginning 8 to 10 o'clock. We'll see the first flakes. And then it really starts to come down, I think, 11, 12 o'clock. So 11 o'clock, midnight, we'll see steady snow starting to accumulate. And the northwest wind shifting around to the northeast, 10 to 20 miles per hour tomorrow, 34. Morning snow and then afternoon snow showers that are lighter. This is the way the snow map looks with 2 to 4 inches south and eastern Massachusetts. Cape Cod, a little bit less there, maybe just a couple there. And as you go west, it gets higher amounts. This 6 to 8 band may nudge into the western hills of Providence, Kent, and Washington counties. So 4 to 6 inches in general for Rhode Island, but there could be some spots 7 or 8 inch amounts in those higher elevations. Rain on Thursday, Friday. We got another system coming in with snow to mix to rain, and that gets out of here on Saturday. Sunday's a nice day. So the cleanup day, I guess, is Wednesday, guys.
Yeah, it looks like